Okay. Listen. So in the last class, we discussed what is time period and what is frequency, right? And we derived expression for time period and
Yes, sir.
frequency. Next one is average speed of a particle executing simple harmonic motion. The average speed of a particle which is executing what on a simple harmonic motion.
Simple
Now tell
harmonic
me,
motion.
Simple harmonic motion.
what is speed? Speed is nothing but it is a scalar quantity, right? The speed related to one another scalar
Yes, sir. It is
quantity.
a scalar quantity.
Right. The quantity which having only magnitude and no direction is said to be a scalar
But no
quantity.
direction, sir.
But no
quantity.
direction is nothing but scalar quantity.
Right. So here the average speed. Average means what on a total by total. The total sum by
sir.
Total by
number.
total distance by total time taken, sir.
So here the average speed which is denoted by V average speed so the average speed we can write as average speed. Average speed is nothing but what on a total distance traveled by the
Total
time.
distance
Time
by
taken.
total time, sir.
Total time, sir.
Right. Total distance
Traveled.
traveled by the particle, right? Traveled
by total
Yes,
time.
sir.
by
Total time.
total time.
Total time taken.
Total time taken, right? Total time taken. Sir, listen, if you, so in case of simple harmonic motion, simple pendulum we will take. In simple pendulum, so here what happened, this is some fixed end, and here we have a thread. So right, so here a small mass will be there. Actually this type of arrangement we call one a simple pendulum, right? Simple pendulum, right? So whenever you
Yes,
disturb
sir.
this pendulum, so it will oscillate so to and fro motion about its mean position, about its what on a mean position,
Main position.
right? So here now the particle, this is the particle, this is the particle, and this is called the maximum displacement of a particle from the mean position. Tell me what is the maximum displacement of particle from the mean position on amplitude, capital A.
Amplitude.
Amplitude,
In this
sir.
also,
Capital
in this
A.
also, this is called maximum displacement of a particle, that is what an amplitude, capital A. Now tell me, what is the total distance traveled by the particle in SHM? Means we are here, we should go here and we should come back here. Again, we should go here and we should come back to the original place. This is called what the total distance traveled in one time period. The total distance traveled in
2
one.
sir.
So tell me what the total distance Nana from here up to here A, again come back A.
2A,
Here to
sir.
exit
2A.
A,
2A.
this is A. What is Nana? What is the total distance traveled?
4A. 4A,
4A.
sir. 4A.
Very good. This is what? 4A. Understood?
4A by. Yes, sir. Understood,
By
Yes,
sir.
capital
sir.
T. By capital T. 4A by what Nana? Capital T. Tell me what is capital T?
Capital T. Time period, sir. Time period. Time period,
What is
sir.
time period? T equals to 2 pi by
Equals
omega.
to 2 pi
2 pi by
omega.
mu.
2 pi by omega. This is 4A. Okay, 4A. That equals to 4 pi omega by 4A omega by 2 pi. Then 4A omega by 2 pi. 2 get cancelled and remaining we are having what 2 by pi into omega into A. By pi into omega into A. Tell me what is this omega A? What is omega A? What is omega A? What is omega A? Tell me what is omega A, Nana? What is omega? Am I audible?
Yes.
Sir, you
Sir.
are audible, sir.
So tell me what is omega V, omega A?
Sir, it is a Vmax.
This
Vmax,
is the V
sir.
maximum.
Maximum speed, sir.
This is the
Maximum velocity.
maximum velocity. Maximum velocity. See here.
Velocity.
So what is omega A? It's nothing but what V maximum. Understood?
V maximum. Vmax.
So that
Yes,
is
sir.
average
Understood, sir.
speed.
Yes, sir.
Average speed. Average speed is nothing but what 2 by pi into V maximum. 2 by pi into
Vmax.
V maximum. Is it fine?
Pi into Vmax.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is average speed. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next concept is what average velocity. Next concept is what average velocity. Number 8. Average velocity.
Sir, total displacement time take by total time taken, no, sir.
By total
Right.
time taken, sir.
Very good. The average velocity, which is denoted by V average. This is
V
what is a
average.
vector quantity. V average equals to what this is the total
Total displacement by total time
displacement.
taken. By total time taken, sir.
Total displacement by total time taken, right? Total time taken. Now tell me, what is the total displacement of the particle executing simple harmonic
X,
motion?
sir.
So here,
X, sir.
in this, the particle will be here after completion of this one oscillation. Again, the particle will be in the same position, means any displacement will be there.
No, sir, it is 0.
0, right? The total displacement is what 0 by total time,
Zero.
that is capital
0
T.
by
That's why the
capital
average
T.
velocity will be 0. Is it
0
fine?
only, sir.
Okay. The
Yes, sir.
average,
Understood, sir.
the average velocity of a particle executing simple harmonic motion in complete oscillation is how much?
0.
Zero.
sir.
0, right?
Sir.
Okay, okay. Next, the ninth one. Ninth one is expression for time period and amplitude in terms of V maximum and A maximum. Expression for time period. Expression for time period and amplitude. Amplitude in terms of what, in terms of V maximum and A maximum. V maximum and A maximum. What is A maximum, Nana? What is A?
Sir, A maximum is equal to 0. Yes, sir.
V is
0.
nothing but velocity. V is nothing but velocity. What is A, Nana?
Velocity.
A is nothing but acceleration.
Acceleration, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right? Small a, acceleration. Okay, now actually what is our aim? Our aim is to derive an expression for time period in terms of what, Nana? In terms of V maximum and
V
A maximum.
maximum and A maximum.
Okay, na? And also we are going to derive an expression for amplitude, that is capital A, in terms of what? In terms of V maximum and A maximum. This is what our aim. Okay. Okay, Nana. But we know that.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is V maximum? Velocity is maximum. What is velocity maximum, Nana? Intamundu cheppina.
Zero.
Velocity maximum. Intamundu cheppina naaku endra. Only I'm asking V maximum. Only I'm asking what? Omega into A. Please try to maintain the running notes. Try to maintain the running notes. Okay. V maximum.
Okay.
Listen. V maximum. What is V maximum? Omega into A. Okay.
Omega into
Now tell me what is A maximum? A maximum. Acceleration. When the acceleration is maximum, Nana. When acceleration will become maximum, what is acceleration maximum? What is A maximum? So that is omega
omega
square A.
square.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just to consider magnitude. Just to consider magnitude, that is omega square A. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Actually, tell me what is our aim? What is our aim? Our aim is to derive an expression for what time period? Okay, na?
Time
Right.
period and amplitude in terms of V max
And
and
amplitude.
So, if you want the time period, what we have to know? Time period is nothing but what? 2 pi by omega. Right? If you know omega, can you find out time period?
Yes, sir.
Right? Right. So we
Yes,
have
sir.
this expression and we have this expression. From these two expressions, can we find out omega?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How we can find out? Please tell me. We have to do
Omega
some-
t is equal to 2 pi. Omega is equals to.
So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. If I do equation 2 by equation 1,
Sir,
what happens?
2 pi by 2 t is equals to omega, no, sir.
Omega remains.
Listen.
Sir,
I'm-
2
I'm-
pi
what
by
I'm
t is
doing-
equals to omega.
Listen. So what is equation 2, Nana? A maximum.
A maximum is equal to
A max
is
omega
equal
square
to
A,
omega
sir.
square A. I'm doing equation 2 by equation 1. What
By
is V maximum?
V maximum is equals
Omega
to omega
A.
A, sir.
Omega A, sir.
Any cancellation? Omega cancel.
Omega
A get cancelled.
cancel.
What is we are left with? A
V
maximum.
maximum by A
By-
maximum is equals to omega, sir.
V maximum equals to omega, right?
Omega. Yes, sir.
Right. So from this A maximum by V maximum.
Omega.
What is omega? 2 pi by
2
T,
pi
right?
by 2 sir.
From this T equals to 2 pi by V maximum by A maximum.
A maximum, sir.
Anjana, B maximum by
A
A
maximum, sir.
maximum. Right? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any wrong?
No, sir.
B maximum into A maximum. Antena? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. So next we need to derive an expression for what? Amplitude. Amplitude. So
Yes, sir.
if you find out amplitude, so how to we need to eliminate omega now. Okay. In this expression, if you want to find out what an amplitude capital A, we need to eliminate omega. How to eliminate omega? if you square it and you can divide it, you will get to you can eliminate
Squaring
for
on
an
both
omega,
sides, sir.
right? So what I'm doing, Nana, I'm doing square on equation 1, that is V maximum square equals to omega square A square, and this is what A maximum is as it is, that is omega square A. If I do equation 3 by equation 4, equation 3 by equation 4,
V square maximum by A maximum is equals
V
to
square
A, sir.
maximum by
V
A
square
maximum
A maximum is equals to
equal
A,
to
sir.
omega square A square
Omega
by
square A square
omega square A. So from
by
this
omega square A, sir.
omega square cancel,
square
A get cancel. Okay, and we left with
V square
V maximum square
square
by
maximum by A
A
maximum
maximum
equals to A.
capital A. Okay, this is what the amplitude
Yes,
we
sir.
have. A equals to V maximum square by A
A
maximum.
maximum.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
okay, no. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Is it right?
Yes,
sir.
Are you there?
Yes,
sir.
sir. We are
Sir.
there, sir.
Sir, we are there. Sir, we are there, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So this is what happens. Next, these are the things. These are the characteristics of simple harmonic motion. So next, I will give an application. Okay. Just wait.